Hello, in this video I want to introduce the Super Bowl visual stimulation system. It consists of a light-generating projector, two mirrors, and an adaptively designed bowl-shaped screen. The geometry allows the direct projection of a spherical texture without perspective distortions. The perceived spherical texture allows the insect to be immersed in a virtual environment. This can be also demonstrated in a real system. You are now the insect standing in a virtual cube inside the Super Bowl screen. In addition to displaying a stationary texture, it can also be rotated online. Not only simple textures can be displayed, many possible sources can be used, such as this natural scene here. Since the projection screen can be modified as required, the system can be customized to many different applications, as seen here in this example of a closed-loop tethered running setup. Thanks for watching. Additional information can be found on our GitHub page or in our paper.